Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the voice-activated sleek audio recorder pen with a 16-hour battery. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our new updated voice-activated sleek audio recorder pen. This pen can do it all. The new version has a 16-hour battery life, it has voice-activated and continuous recording, it offers a time and date stamp, it's got a good storage capacity, and it offers the ability so that you can listen to the recordings directly from the pen. On top of that, it really writes. The pen only takes 2.5 hours to recharge, and you can play back the recordings using a Windows or Mac computer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that the new updated 16-hour audio pen will come with. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So if we open her up here, we'll notice on this guy we're definitely going to have quite a few different things. So the first immediate thing that we're going to notice is, of course, the manual. So this is a manual that is actually handwritten by us here at SpyCentre, and it has all sorts of wonderful information just in regards to how to utilize the product and do things like that. So it's always a good reference point. Okay, so actually, I'll show you the USB cable first before I show you those. So this is the USB charge and transfer cable. So what you can do with this guy is it pretty much allows you to plug it into the actual recorder pen here, and this will plug in right there to the butt, and at that point you can physically charge the device as well as transfer your files to your computer or laptop. So the other things that we have here, and I'll get back to the pen in just a moment, so, and I'll actually open these up just to give you guys a little bit of a better idea. So for this is our controller, and these are our headphones. So this unit specifically, you can listen to the recordings directly off of it, and this is also how you would set it to the different record modes. So if you wanted to do either continuous or voice activation, you will need this controller. So how you would do that, as you can see, I plugged the headphones into the controller, and you still have a plug here, which will go directly into the pen itself. So this is how it would be set up when you want to play back the files directly off of the device and also change your different modes. You do not need the headphones when you're trying to change the modes, but it's always a nice thing to have, just keep it all together as one type of deal. Saying that, we do have a couple different ink replacements as well, so you can 100% feel free to use it as a functioning pen because it is a functioning pen. So you can rotate it right here at the top and get your pen. So at that point, I mean, just taking a look at the pen itself, it's very sleek, it's got a very nice just overall feel to it and design. And it's definitely one of the more user-friendly just in regards to turning it on, starting recording, doing things like that. So how you would do it actually is off the clip here. So you'll notice, well actually it's very hard to notice, but you'll see it here when I move it. So right now it's in the off position, and what you would do to turn it on is you would actually just push this clip down. So once you push that down, it's a very slight movement, but that's going to actually kick it on to start recording. And then when you're done recording, you slide that clip back up, puts it back into its off position. So what I am going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to take this guy into the back room, and we're going to perform a couple of tests for you guys just so you can get a general idea as to what the audio quality is going to sound like on it.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in our back office, and what we're going to go ahead and do is perform a quick test for you guys utilizing the new updated 16-hour audio pen. So how we're going to do that is I'm going to take the pen, I'm going to put it in my pocket here, and me and Kenny are going to have a quick conversation test so you can hear what that sound quality is going to be like. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself.
How's it going, Kenny? Doing great, how are you?
Doing good.
So this is a review received for the pen. You can't beat the service. I recently purchased one of their recording pens. I had difficulty utilizing some of the functions. As a result, I called the company's tech support and spoke with a gentleman named Dominic. He was very knowledgeable concerning the product. He addressed all my concerns and resolved all my issues. With that kind of support, you need not be concerned when dealing with this company. They stand behind their warranty and provide any tech support you might need for your purchase. As for the recorder pen I purchased, it functions as represented, and I anticipate it will hold up in the time to come.
Perfect. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the pen out of my pocket, we're going to take it up front, and we're going to do a little distance test for you guys. Alrighty guys, so here we are up on our retail storefront, and me and Kenny are going to go ahead and perform a little distance test for you guys utilizing the new updated 16-hour sleep audio pen. Please keep in mind, all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to hand the pen off to Kenny here, and we're going to do that test for you. So here you go, Kenny.
This is the audio quality on the new sleek audio pen at 10 feet. This is the audio quality on the updated sleek audio pen at 20 feet. And lastly, this is the audio quality on the updated 16-hour sleek audio pen at 30 feet. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. The new updated voice recorder pen has all the same awesome features as the previous model, but now with a much longer battery life. That makes it such an easy choice. We monitor the comment sections of all of our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.